Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want your Shopify checkout page to match your brand and boost conversions? In this video, I will show you how to customize the checkout page step by step using both built-in tools and tips. Perfect for beginners. From your Shopify admin, click the settings at the bottom left corner. Then select Checkout. This is where you can manage customer accounts, form fields, shipping options, and checkout appearance. Scroll down to the Checkout and Accounts tab and click Customize. This opens the Shopify theme editor focused on the checkout layout. Here you can change logo, background image or color, typography and button styles, accent colors to match your brand. You can edit the language, then click edit checkout content. Use your brand fonts, colors, and a clean logo to make your checkout page trustworthy and consistent with your store. Keep it minimal and avoid too many distractions. From here, you can change the password, enter social links, pagination, Search Console, etc. Then go to newsletter. You can see the success button label from accessibility. You can skip to text. You can filter by complete or missing. Now let's control what customer information is required. Under customer information, go back to checkout tabs. Under customer information, choose whether customers need provide some phone numbers or email only, add shipping address, leave notes, add tips, etc. This can improve speed and reduce cart abandonment. If you are on Shopify Plus, you can fully edit the checkout.liquid code for advanced changes. For that, go to Online Store, choose your theme, and click Customize. Now search Checkout Liquid in the search bar. Go to the three dot icon, then click Edit Code. Now search Checkout dot liquid depending on your theme. Custom fields by Hulk apps, order notes to collect more information from customers. Go back to your admin dashboard, then go to Adapt section, then click Shopify App Store and search for Hulk apps in the search bar. Make checkout faster with Shop Pay, Apple Pay, or Google Pay. Go to Settings tab, Then click Payments and enable Express options. This helps customers pay in one click, boosting conversion rates. Always test your checkout to make sure it looks and works properly. Add a product to your cart and go through the checkout process. Make sure branding information and payment options are all smooth. Want to upsell or thank customers properly after checkout? Go back to again Shopify App Store and search for reconvert, upsell and cross sell. Then install it, or you can alternatively you can use after sell app to customize your thank you page. Just click install and follow the setup process. Click again install button. After install the app, you can see the dashboard. Click continue to after sell and follow the payment process. Like you can add your debit and credit card or use a PayPal account. So go back to your dashboard and go to the Open App tab. Here you can see the Post Purchase Funnels tab. Then Product Page Upsells, Analytics, Order Browser, Help and Support, Cart Drawer, etc. And that's how you customize your Shopify checkout like a pro. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your questions. Want more Shopify tutorials? Let me know below. So from checkout section, you can add all things. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.